So bang bang DonSumdany Masterclass. Basically, I think this is one of the best training in my life because it's full of energy and positivity. And of course, I'll admit that it will definitely change my life. Thank you. Hi, this is Mahmouda Akhtar and I'm functioning as the Manager International Affairs at BSB Global Network. And for the first time, I have joined this session of leadership and productivity and personal mastery conducted by the Honorable Ghulam Sumdany Don, sir. So I'm very happy for having me here, and the session was amazing and wonderful, and the food and other facilities was fabulous, and the task, whatever we have done in a group, that was amazing. So I recommend his masterclass more and more to the all. Thank you.